Glances makes creating invoices and completing other QuickBooks tasks super simple, but we're so much more. Our feature, Post-Action App Updates, allows Glances to bring back data to live in Monday directly within your board's column to use in workflows, automations, or reports. Let's take a look how that works. So here I am at a customer board within Monday, and I need to create an invoice for Jill. Before I do that, I want to point out just a couple of items on the board. The first thing you may notice is that I have listed the product or service I want to invoice Jill for here in the sub-items. Additionally, other fields appear for my items such as invoice status, invoice number, balance, and total. Let's go ahead and create our invoice by opening the item view for Jill. If you're already a Glances user, you know how simple this is, but we're going to walk through it so you can see how this invoice data populates back into Monday without effort on your end. Let's create an invoice for Jill, and you'll see that the service I had in my invoice, or down at that sub-items, is automatically populated for her here. I can add or edit the invoice as needed, and then scroll to the bottom to create and send the invoice. That sends the invoice over to QuickBooks, and within a few moments, you'll see that the invoice details, such as the balance and invoice number, are now populated in these columns. Your Monday users can now view this data, or you can use it in those workflows or automations here in Monday.com. When the customer pays the invoice, the balance will update in our column automatically, and the status column will adjust so you can always keep track of your invoices and any outstanding amounts you have without navigating away from Monday. The data we bring back is customizable, so you can always see just the relevant information you need at any given point. Other data that doesn't need to live in Monday but just needs to be referenced can still be accessed through the Glances app, so you can see additional payments or purchase orders or sales receipts, other data from those other apps that you have. Glances is the simplest way to work, and so when you're ready to customize your workflow, check us out at glances.com or reach out to support@glances.com.